Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can send the animated stickers in the WhatsApp, and also this is only for the beta version. Presently they did not roll out the full version, so I'm a beta tester, so I got this option. So in this video I'm going to show you the full details how you can download it and how you can send it. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also there is a giveaway is going on in our channel for the YouTube Premium membership, so you can get chance to win the YouTube Premium membership for the 6 months coupon code. So if you want that, so I will give the link in the description. Just go through that and watch the video and get chance to win the YouTube Premium membership for the 6 months. So now let's get into the topic. So watch the full video, and if you have any doubts, please do comment down. First of all, let us open the WhatsApp. So in WhatsApp I am a beta tester, so as you can see here I got you are a beta tester. So if you are not a beta tester, you can come to the Play Store, you can search the WhatsApp and you can join it here. So as you can see here, so once you join, as you can see here, I already updated the app, so I got this feature. If you are not yet updated the app, you can update the app. So as you can see here, I got an option here, there is an option beta. So if you are a beta, you will get this option. So if you want to join, just scroll down here, you will be having an option called join. So once you updated the app, so I will open the WhatsApp. So as you can see here, just click on emoji. So once you click on, you can click on plus symbol. As you can see here there is a plus symbol, just click on it. So once you click on it, so as you can see here, I already downloaded this all the emojis. So as you can see here, so I will send and I will show you. So I will send. So as you can see here, this is only one package they have been created. So presently it is in beta testing mode, so we can test it. So as you can see here, so all the images are available here. So it is working good. So if you are not a beta tester, you can join to the beta testing mode and you can check these images. In the further updates they may give the more stickers also, animated stickers also. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.